Buenos días, buenas tardes, ¿qué tal? Espero que estén bien y esta es nuestra clase número 2. Bienvenidos, okay? Welcome to your class number 2. I hope you're having a great day and this is what we're going to be doing today, okay? Vamos a aprender cómo saludar a una persona por primera vez. We're going to learn how to greet someone for the first time when we don't know that person, all right? So, también vamos a aprender cómo nos vamos a presentar, okay? We're also going to learn how to introduce ourselves, okay? Let's start, okay? Let's listen and repeat. We have this conversation. Let's just listen to it and then we're going to be understanding what people are saying and why they're saying what they're saying, right? Perfect. Ready? Hola. Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Hola, buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. Okay, so here he is saying, hello, good morning, how you doing? How are you? Right? And then he's answering, very good, thank you. Okay, ready? All right. Escuchamos, repetimos. Me llamo Carlos Pérez. ¿Y tú? Me llamo Carlos Pérez. ¿Y tú? Mario Rodríguez. Mucho gusto. Mario Rodríguez. Mucho gusto. Okay, entonces, okay, so here he is saying, my name is Carlos Perez. What about yours? Mario Rodríguez. Nice to meet you. Okay, very good. Vamos. Okay, so this is another way, there are different ways to obviously communicate the same idea, like in any language. We have different ways to communicate the same idea, right? So this is what we're doing. We're just showing you the most common ones, all right? ¿Listos? Escuchamos y repetimos. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Soy Rogelio. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Soy Rogelio. Hola, Rogelio. Mucho gusto. Soy Liliana. Hola, Rogelio. Mucho gusto. Soy Liliana. Very good. Okay. So basically I'm saying the same thing, but with different words, right? I'm saying, hello, how are you? I'm Rogelio and hello, Rogelio. Nice to meet you. I'm Liliana. Okay. Very good. Okay. So this is a different way. Do you notice here that these people are young and normally I am from Mexico, but every Latin America country, they have different rules of formality, being formal and being informal, right? So in Mexico, when you talk to, in general, not everybody's the same, but in general, if you're talking to someone that's young or the same age, you're gonna use the informal way to ask a question, which is ¿Cómo estás? But if you're talking to someone that's older, older than you, then or if it's a more formal situation, you're gonna use the formal word, the formal form of asking a question, right? Which is ¿Cómo está? Okay, you see this different? This is ¿Cómo estás? And the formal way is ¿Cómo está? Okay, and don't worry about it. This is gonna be something that you are gonna learn with practice, and you're gonna see how when you start talking to people from different countries, you're gonna see how everybody's different. So just learn formal and informal, and you will be better. You will get better with time and with practice to know what form, formal or not formal, use, or wherever you are at. If you come to my country and if you come to Mexico, then obviously I can help you and I can tell you what's appropriate in what situation, right? Okay, great. So let's listen and repeat. Escuchamos y repetimos. Hola, ¿cómo está? Soy Roberto Sánchez. Hola, ¿cómo está? Soy Roberto Sánchez. Mucho gusto, señor Sánchez. Soy Samuel Méndez. Mucho gusto, señor Sánchez. Soy Samuel Méndez. Very good, very good. And you notice that in a formal way, when you're using the formal ways to communicate, you're probably going to want to use the first name and last name, right? If you notice here in a more informal situation, they're just using their first name. There's no rule. You can just you will learn what is appropriate and what is not, depending on the culture. Because learning English is not just about, learning Spanish is not just about learning the language, it's learning about their culture. That's the fascinating thing about, learning a language. You're learning so much about a completely different world, right? So, yeah, all right, perfect. Great practice. Keep on practicing, and maybe if you have someone that you can talk to in Spanish, introduce yourself, greet them in Spanish. Now you have several ways to do that, and keep on practicing. All right, okay, so we'll see you in the next activity.